Hello class, at this time you would have already finished problem 1 and we're ready to start the second problem. Okay, I'm going to start by reading the problem again. The figures below are similar rectangles. They have proportional relationships between the base B and the height H. What is the constant of proportionality that relates to the length of the base to the length of the height within each rectangle? Okay, so again, we know that it is proportional to, well, they're actually similar rectangles, and we also know that they are proportional in relationship. And we're looking for the constant of proportionality as it relates base to the height. So we're looking for the proportionality as it relates to base over height. So if we look at the first one, we know that that will be 12 over 4, which will be 3. And let's look at the next one. Base over height is equal 9 over 3, and that's also equal to 3. And the smallest one will be base over height is equal 6 over 2, and that is 3. So we know that the constant proportionality that is shared by all three rectangles is 3, 3, and 3. So our answer would be 3. Okay. Now you're ready to try one on your own.